Hello, my name is Jason Woodfin, the Head of Geography at Westfield Academy. In this presentation, I would like to introduce you to the content and structure of the Geography GCSE and explain why it could be a good option choice for you. We all live on an incredibly beautiful planet full of opportunities and challenges. The events of the last 12 months have clearly demonstrated how the lives of nearly 8 billion people on Earth are interwoven. GCSE Geography is a subject which will help you to make sense of the world around you and challenge the way that you see it. It will provide you with an opportunity to get to grips with some of the big questions which affect our world and understand the social, economic, and physical forces which are shaping and changing it. There are many different ways of learning in geography, and throughout the GCSE course, you will be given the opportunity to develop a very wide range of useful skills. With such a range of transferable skills, employers and universities see geography as a strong academic subject. By linking the arts and sciences, it's highly flexible in terms of what you can combine it with, both at GCSE and A-level. If you decide to continue geography at university, there's a very wide range of courses available which can provide a pathway into many different careers. At Westfield Academy, we follow the AQA GCSE Geography course. This is divided into three key areas of study: living with the physical environment, challenges in the human environment, and geographical applications. The following slides should give you a flavour of the content found within each unit. Living with the physical environment focuses on the natural world around us and how it's constantly being shaped by a range of physical processes. We will investigate a range of natural hazards affecting different parts of our planet, assess their impact upon the people living in these areas, and explore ways in which we can try to reduce their damaging effects in the future. We will study earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis, and think about how their global distribution is linked to powerful forces operating within our planet. Students will explore the different strategies which can be used before, during, and after a tectonic hazard to help save lives and minimize damage. In our study of weather hazards, we will investigate the formation and impact of tropical storms in different parts of the world. We will also study atmospheric hazards which happen much closer to home by looking at extreme weather events in the United Kingdom. In our climate change module, students will assess the range of evidence linked to global warming and think about the socio-economic and environmental challenges we face living in a warming world. We will consider ways in which humans can mitigate against climate change and how we are already being forced to adapt our lifestyles to deal with the consequences. Our Living World topic provides an opportunity to better understand global biomes and the complex interactions which exist within them. Through our study of tropical rainforests, we will see how these beautiful ecosystems are threatened by human activity. We will also consider if it's possible to sustainably develop these regions in order to balance social, economic, and environmental needs. We'll investigate the challenges and opportunities which exist within cold environments and see how these very fragile areas are increasingly under threat from human activity. Although we live on a relatively small island, the UK boasts an incredibly diverse range of physical landscapes. We will explore a range of coastal landscapes and consider how physical processes have created distinctive landforms. In addition to this, we will look at how the power of the sea is threatening many coastal communities around the country and the steps being taken to protect them. In our study of river landscapes, we will look at how landforms change as you travel from source to mouth, and see how flooding can create major issues for communities within the UK. In this second major unit of the GCSE, we will investigate a range of issues linked to the human environment on planet Earth. We live in an increasingly urban world, with an ever-growing percentage of the human population living within cities. Through our study of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, we will look at the challenges and opportunities presented by rapid urban growth in a newly emerging economy. We will also consider the impact of urban change here in the UK by focusing on the city of Bristol. With more and more of us living in cities, we will look at how we can make them more sustainable to reduce their impact and improve socio-economic conditions for the people who live in them. In the changing economic world topic, we will look at the links between economic development and living standards in different parts of the world. Students will be asked to consider why we live in a very unequal world and look at different approaches which can be used to help narrow the development gap. Through our study of Nigeria, we will gain an insight into the challenges and opportunities facing one of the world's newly emerging economies. And we will also investigate the role that globalization can have in helping or hindering development. We will investigate how and why the economy of the United Kingdom has changed over time, and look at how we may be able to reduce regional differences between the north and the south of the country. In our resource management topic, we'll look at the issues surrounding the provision of food, water, and energy around the world, and consider how we might move towards a more sustainable energy supply here in the UK. In Year 11 of the GCSE course, we'll focus on a particular geographical issue. Your understanding of the issue and your ability to reach an informed decision will form part of your third GCSE geography exam. Another important aspect of GCSE geography is fieldwork. You will gather geographical data away from the classroom and use this in a series of geographical investigations. I hope that this has given you a better understanding of the course. Both Mr. Hoskins and myself look forward to welcoming you as a GCSE geographer next year. Goodbye for now.